Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in digital finance to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to set up Zelle with Huntington Bank in 2025. If you're tired of slow money transfers and want a seamless way to send cash to friends or family, Zelle is your go-to app. It's fast, secure, and integrates directly with major banks like Huntington. By the end of this video, you'll have it set up in no time. First things first, make sure you have a Huntington Bank account. If you don't, head over to their website or app to get started. It's quick and often comes with great perks like no-fee ATM access. Once you're logged in, open the Huntington Bank mobile app on your smartphone. If you don't have it, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Now, navigate to the Payments or Transfers section. Look for the Zelle icon, which should be prominently featured. Click on it to begin enrollment. You'll be prompted to enter your phone number or email address that you want linked to Zelle. This is crucial because it's how people will send you money. Next, verify your identity. Huntington Bank will send a one-time code to your phone or email. Enter it to confirm. This step ensures your account stays secure. After verification, you might need to set up a PIN or enable biometric login for added protection. Once that's done, you're almost ready. Take a moment to review your settings, like daily transfer limits, which are usually around $500 for first-time users but can increase over time. And just like that, you're set up. You can now send or receive money instantly. Remember, always double-check recipient details to avoid mistakes. In 2025, with enhanced security features, Zelle with Huntington Bank is more reliable than ever. If you run into any issues, check the Huntington Bank's help section or contact their support. They're pretty responsive. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.